Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I posted my second AI video, and in this video I will show you how to create a fully functioning scientific calculator in 3 minutes. And in the second part of the video I will teach you how you can use it, how you can download it and make it real using the TinyHost website, where we can upload our HTML project, and even this TinyHost give them a free URL, free domain, so we can share with friends. So first we start with Claude AI. I already created a prompt. Create a fully functioning dark theme scientific calculator in HTML. So just click on enter. And now the Claude creating this calculator for us in HTML. It's really important. This has to be, I think, if I'm going back to this TinyHost, I cannot see there what are the requirements. So the calculator is here. Now we can test it. 6 plus 4 is equals 10. Yes, as a calculator we can see it's working. And actually it looks nice. And now we have this small button here, download to file. I just downloading it. So the HTML file is downloaded, so we are done. Now the next step is going to the tiny.host website. The link will be in the description, where we can upload and share our project. Unfortunately, it's not free. We cannot do it for free, but there is a minimum fee. It's 90 euros per month. If you would like to do it, I think that's a very fair price to do it. So in order to upload, I just have to upload the HTML file and just ask the name mycalc224. Publish. It's done, and now I can go to the site, and as you can see, here is the website, mycalc224.tiny.site, and now I just also can try it, and it works. As you can see, it's really easy, so we can really do our own easy website, creating our own application in a Claude AI in a few minutes, and just downloading the HTML file and uploading to the TinyHost. It's a really useful, I think, and it's a pretty cool feature. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it and enjoyed it. And if you really like it, please take a moment, hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want, please share your own project on a comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.